Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get DHGate coupon code. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so if you are on an Android or iPhone device, just open your Safari or Google Chrome internet browser. If you're on a computer or laptop device, just open up whatever browser you have installed on your computer or laptop device. So yeah guys, once you've done that, just go to google.com like this, and then just search for DHGate coupon code like this, and then you can just open any of these links. So I'll just open the first one right here. And here, as you can see guys, you can select any of these DHGate coupon code and you can apply it on DHGate like this. So I just click on one of them, and here, as you can see guys, you can just copy one of these coupon code and use it on DHGate. So this is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.